Check out the beautiful artichoke plant this morning in full bloom. Later on, these plants will be completely covered with bees. And this over here is a cardoon, the cousin of the artichoke. As you can see here, along the edge of the pathway, I trenched an area, scooched back the wood chips, and planted about 25 or so watermelon. That was a few days ago, and they're looking good. And so what's going to end up happening is these watermelon are going to sprawl out this way and cover the pathway. That's just fine. We'll do our little dance throughout the vines as they grow up. But the edges of a pathway can make a great location to plug in some extra food crops. Check out this Santa Rosa plum tree here. Today's June 16th, 2021. We're harvesting plums, plumcots, pluots. You can see where we're at. The pomegranates here. Bees, bumblebees are out. You know, this kumquat tree here has really held on to fruit for quite some time this season. I never fully picked all the fruit off. These are like nature's little vitamin C drops. Here we've got fava bean ready for harvest. Look at the water content. A couple years back, I planted Swiss chard all along the edge of this pathway. And you can see how it's coming up everywhere. Some of these plants are getting quite mature. We're eaten by bugs. We're letting them go to seed at this point. And yeah, they're coming out into the pathway, not a big deal. You can easily walk over these plants. Absolutely love this view here. The contrast of all the different plants, different sizes, colors. This is the pineapple guava here, getting ready to fruit. The jujube tree, flowering up. Anyway, my friends, the takeaway from this video: maximize your food production. Plant on the edges of your pathways. A lot of your nurseries and big box stores are still going to have transplants available. Things like peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, squash, all sorts of things. So maybe head on down there if you don't have some seeds going and do a bit of plugging in this evening. And you can end up with an extra 50, 60 pounds of food by the end of the season. Looks like we got a ripe fig here. See another one back here. Delicious. Well, that's going to do it for now, my friends. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.